Entropy change in phase transitions. What is phase transition? Either conversion of solid to liquid, conversion of liquid to gas, or conversion of solid to gas. These are the three different phase transitions which are observed generally. Solid to liquid, we call this process is called as fusion. Liquid to gas is generally called as vaporization, and solid to gas is called sublimation. But what is important in this particular one? During the during phase transition, the very important point to remember is the pressure remains constant in the process, and the temperature remains constant in the process of phase transition. During the conversion of one physical state to another physical state, an equilibrium is established, and at equilibrium, two parameters or two thermodynamical variables are going to be constant, which are pressure and temperature. The temperature corresponding to solid to liquid is called as melting point. The temperature corresponding to liquid to gas is called as boiling point, and the temperature which is corresponding to conversion of solid to gas is called sublimation temperature. Sublimation temperature. So these are the three different temperatures we take. So corresponding to which, if pressure is constant, we know delta S is equals to Q reversible by T. Now we know Q reversible, Q at constant pressure, Q at constant pressure can be given from first law of thermodynamics. If I am taking Q at constant pressure can be written as delta U minus W, which is equals to delta U plus P delta V, which can be written as delta H. So Q at constant pressure can be written as change in enthalpy. So now at constant pressure for phase transition, delta S can be written as delta H by T. Delta S can be written as delta H by T, which can be applicable for each one. We can say for fusion, entropy of fusion is equals to delta H fusion by melting point. Entropy of vaporization can be given as enthalpy of vaporization by boiling point. Entropy of sublimation can be written as enthalpy of sublimation by sublimation temperature. So that these are the three ways we can write entropy change in phase transitions.